Hello, everybody. Good day. I hope everybody's doing well. What I want to talk about is what problems am I solving in the world? Number one, I'm solving the problem of not being able to find customized, specialized adornments that were made specifically with you in mind, made with love, made with passion, and inspired from spirit to suit you, your needs, and your intentions. People can buy adornments from anywhere, but you don't know where they're coming from. You don't know what kind of energy went into it, and a lot of times stuff is just mass produced, right? So by me providing, I definitely solved that problem for myself. Like, look, I can wear my own jewelry and it looks amazing. So I am solving that problem for people. You do not have to worry about having jewelry that they made a million of that same one design. And so if you get it, you know that you can see anybody else wearing it. I solved the problem of you having unique things that you're not going to see them anywhere else. You're not going to find them. You're not going to just see people wearing the stuff that you get from me. That's number one. Number two, and this is my newest passion, I am solving the problem of people not having access to legal support. We run into all kinds of problems in our daily lives. We get bullied by organizations and things like that, and we have no recourse. Sometimes we just have to take the loss. I'm solving that problem by offering legal insurance, something that a lot of people haven't heard of, and I want you to find out because this is a game changer and a huge problem solver. Number three, I'm solving the problem of people not having the tools to understand who they are through astrology. I am allowing people to understand their own personal roadmap, to understand that they are unique, created unique based on the moment in which they took their first breath of life. Showing you that there's nobody else like you and helping you to get rid of the ideas of trying to compare yourself and be like others, getting down and hard on yourself because you just can't do it like them, but you can do it like you. So what I offer through teaching you about your own astrology solves that problem for you because now you get to understand what makes you uniquely you. And why you have to be that. And that's the only contribution you can make is by being exactly who you uniquely are. There's only one you. You get to see that through this service that I provide. So that's it. I just wanted to put that out there because I've been hearing this talk about based on what problems you're solving in the world is going to reflect directly back to you what you're experiencing in terms of your wealth and your abundance. Just leave it at that. I love you.